y'all, I'm Rhonda. Welcome back to my kitchen. Today, y'all, it's fall and everybody's into them pumpkin recipes. So I'm going to give you a little pumpkin recipe. This is a good one that you can make for Thanksgiving, but it is called a pumpkin crunch. It looks like a lot of stuff going on right here, but really I'm going to show you just how simple it is to just put this together. And so we are going to start with 100% pure pumpkin, honey. Don't get pumpkin pie, okay? Just 100% pumpkin. This is a 15-ounce can, and I'm going to be using 2 of these. It calls for 30 ounces, and so this equals exactly 30 ounces. And just to FYI, this was $1 a can at the Walmart, and there is a big can, and it was like $2.59, and it was only 29 ounces, so it's cheaper to get the 2 smaller ones. So we got 2 cans, so 30 ounces of the 100% pure pumpkin. And we're going to mix this with some goodies. Now, I've got the oven preheated to 350 degrees. We're going to bake this little goodie for about an hour. But we'll just get these right out the way. Put those in there. Now, I'm going to add to this a cup of sugar. Now, if you don't think it's sweet enough, you can do 1.5 cups, and I will taste it because my mom gave me the recipe. I love it, and her recipe calls for 1 cup of sugar, but I've seen others call for 1.5 cups. So I'm gonna taste it, see how sweet it is before I add my eggs. All right, just gonna give this a little stir. And I'm gonna give it a little taste. I think that's gonna be good. I think that'll be enough. All right, I'm gonna mix 1 can of the evaporated milk. I know we always just call that cream. I don't know what you might call it, but it's just evaporated milk. 3 eggs. I'm gonna just whip this up really, really good. Now, I'm going to add some cinnamon. I have my little spoon here, but I done tasted off of it. So, I'm going to put about 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon. And I'm going to put some pumpkin pie spice in this. I know it's good. So, I'm going to put about 1 teaspoon of pumpkin pie spice in this. It's just going to give it some good flavor. All right. Oh, it smells good. Just hit me in the face.
Pumpkin.
Yes. All right, just going to give this a little stir here. It's what it's looking like, Russell. Look at there. You smell that pumpkin pie spice and that cinnamon? All right. All right, now we're just going to pour it. Now I have greased this pan. It's a 9 by 13 pan. We're just going to dump that right on in there. That is your batter. Let's see. I'm going to get all my goodness out of here. We'll get it all. Y'all know I like to get it all. All right. Now, fun part. We'll just take a regular yellow cake mix. I have got the Duncan Hines because it was on sale for $1. I like them dollar sales. I've already opened it, so I wouldn't be on the struggle bus trying to get that open. Now we're just going to sprinkle this across just like so. Yummy, yummy. Right on top it goes. There you go. Trying to get everything, Russell.
Oh, yeah.
Trying to get it all covered. Let's go in this way. There we go. Now we're going to top this with some pecans. Pecans makes everything better.
Oh, man.
And I know people probably don't say it the same way I say it, but that's how we say it around our parts.
Pecans, pecans.
Pecans.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's how we say it. That's how I growed up saying it. All right. Just got a nice little covering right there. All right, now we're going to take these crushed up pecans and just put them all on top. This is going to be our crunch. It's going to be the crunchy part of it. And I crushed about a cup or so of pecans. Now, yummy, yummy. It is going to be good. And I have not tried this, but I think this would be delicious with sweet potato as well.
I
love me some sweet potato. I'm going to be doing that probably for Thanksgiving, maybe some sweet potato. Now, I've got a little butter, just some melted butter. I got a stick of melted butter, and I'm just going to drizzle it around. Then we're going to cook this bad boy for about an hour. And after it's done, that ain't all. You're going to make a Cool Whip cream cheese icing to go on it. Honey, it is delightful. Sinfully delightful. So this is what we've got right now. I'm going to put it in the oven. And I'll let you know what it looks like in about an hour. Alright, y'all. This pumpkin crunch has baked for an hour at 350. And we've cooled it. Now there's two ways you can do this. You can flip this out of this pan and then ice it, or you can leave it in this pan, and that's what I'm going to do. So I'm going to now make the icing that goes on top of it. So I've got one block of cream cheese. Just going to do a real simple cream cheese icing. And whoops. I'm going to go ahead and cream this up just a little bit before I add the powdered sugar. Just like this. That's about all you need to do right there. Just mix it up a little bit. Now I'm going to start with a cup of powdered sugar here. About so. Spilled it everywhere. Just chunked it all over. And just a little bit of vanilla. About a teaspoon of vanilla. We'll give this a little mix. Alright, it's going to look like this. Alright. That's how it's going to look in there. Now, I'm just going to take my Cool Whip. Y'all know I like the extra creamy Cool Whip. And we're going to put some Cool Whip in it. Just a super simple icing. Put that all in there. We're going to mix it around. Get it mixed up, and that's going to be all it is. Alright, this is the consistency that you're looking for right there. Yummy, yummy.
Looks good.
Looks good. I done threw it all over myself. It'll be alright. Alright. Get this up out the way. Powdered sugar everywhere. Alrighty. Just frost it. Just throw it all on there, y'all, and spread her around. It's that simple. Alright. Yummy. Ain't that looking good?
Looks good. Yeah.
It's looking good. Got that little layer of crunchy pecans on there.
I taught her how to flipping it over, y'all.
He did. I was going to
So if you flip it, what's going to happen to all that crunchy bunchity there?
It goes to the
I
bottom.
didn't want it to go get away.
Like a good little crust.
Yeah,
but it's good this way.
Yeah.
It is good this way. I had it at my mama's house when I went a few weeks ago for my dad's little
I'm just going to say she's rubbed off on me, y'all. We don't want to waste.
We ain't trying to waste.
Trying to waste nothing. No. The pecans get away.
Alrighty. You ready for a little taste
I'm
here?
ready. Yep.
Alright, well I'm going to finish this up.
We got to let it cool.
No, it's already cooled. But you do want to make sure it's cool completely before you put this on it, or it will melt off. And you're going to store this in the fridge, because this has got cream cheese and Cool Whip and all that goodness on it. Alrighty. That's all it is to it, y'all. Alright, I'm going to cut you a piece and we're going to see. Alright, y'all, this pumpkin crunch is ready.
Yeah, for the second time it's ready.
Our camera was not recording. Take two.
Take two. I was loving on that thing too.
He was.
And she was shocked.
He was on his third bite, and
y'all was missing a good one.
And he's not even a pumpkin lover.
No, I'm not. I'm not. It ain't. It's really good. It's really good, to be honest. I'm not big on pumpkin like that, y'all. I really ain't.
But it's pumpkin season, y'all.
Yeah.
You gotta
know y'all pumpkin people. I know how y'all are. Starting in July, after July 4th. After July 4th is pumpkin season. I know. I get, you can't go to Starbucks or anywhere else without the pumpkin spice.
Yes,
this is delicious.
Yes.
It would be great for a Thanksgiving dessert. This could be our first Thanksgiving. I'm going to put it in the Thanksgiving playlist.
Yeah.
Very good. It's crunchy.
Go ahead and get your third bite.
Yeah, I got to taste. I've tasted it twice when the camera wasn't even on, y'all.
Yes, he was just eating it. Shocked me dead.
It's very good.
Because he don't fake.
No.
That's what we were saying when we thought we were saying and we weren't saying. Like he would not taste the potato salad because he's like, no, he ain't doing that.
That wasn't my jam.
No, potatoes and mayonnaise and all that.
I will go for 4 because I did take 2 bites.
He's about got it done.
Yeah, I'm eating all this stuff.
It's really good, and the icing on top really brings it together. It brings it. And cream cheese icing is one of your favorite icings. So.
It is. It's fluffy. It's good.
It is.
And the crunch. The pecans makes it too.
The sweet little pumpkin, the creaminess,
really and then the really
crunch. Good. It is.
It doesn't have a very strong pumpkin-y taste to me.
No.
It
doesn't.
Sweet potato. I would definitely love that in sweet potato.
I'm going to try it with a sweet potato too because...
that would be delicious.
Your mama would love
My mama
sweet
would love
potato.
that
Anything sweet potato.
Yeah, she's all about the
sugar all over me.
Yeah, she made a little mess, didn't she?
I did. I'm just all messed up, but whatever. It is what you get, honey.
Y'all, look at that. I know I've been took about 3 chunks out of it, but man.
He has.
That's good.
He's tearing it up.
Yeah.
All right, y'all. Well, I hope you have enjoyed this. I hope this is something that you will try for your little Thanksgiving.
This is a good one.
Or just any time in the fall. And if you try it, let me know. I'd love, love, love feedback. And y'all, until next time.